First of all, what you have to do, start. You already start. Okay, connect to the power source here. Then I'll connect to the SMPS. Okay, so here what you have to do is that first of all you connect the black and the green, because black and green is the to on your system. So black and fan is working. Okay, it's working. That means your SMPS is okay. Clear? Okay. So we'll test this one also. Okay. Black and green to on your system. Black and green. So here working. So that is okay. Tested. Wait. This one I'm going to test this one, black and green. This one is not working, is it? You resume. This one is not working, so I'm going to check with this one, black and green again. This is not working. Okay, that means, see, it's not working. That means your SMPS is dead. Okay, because why? You see here, I connect this one, black and green from this side. Black and green. You see this one, black and green. This one green, and this one is black. So I connect this one here. It's not working. Okay, so that means this SMPS is damaged. So we'll confirm again for the last test. Here, this is black and green. Confirm again. Connect. Fan is working. That means that SMPS is not working. This one. Okay. So why I use this one instead of using a wire? Because I know this is a DC power supply. So from AC, this SMPS convert into DC. So DC, no problem. It will not get you shock. Okay. Only the AC will get you shock, but DC no problem. Okay, some people when I teach to connect that, they don't try to connect, because why? They are afraid of the electricity shock. So this from AC, it when you connect, this is AC 230 volt, it convert into DC. So okay, so clear. So done.